My name is Scientist Lucas McGee. Today we'll be making elephant toothpaste. You can obviously see I got all my ingredients. Let's get down to it. 1 tablespoon of this soap. Gotta make it big. That's 1 tablespoon. And we'll pour it in. Careful. You can obviously see I'm shaking right now. Ain't no soap going in this cup. I have hydrogen peroxide and a measuring cup. We gotta have 1.5 of hydrogen peroxide. You got hydrogen peroxide. Let's go. I gotta make sure I'm doing this right. Oh man. You can obviously see I gotta keep squeezing it till I get to the second line. And right now I'm struggling right now. I think that's about enough, folks. The next step is to pour hydrogen peroxide in it. I messed up the first time because I went over this. I went over half a spoon. So Mrs. McGee right here behind holding the camera how to help us. Let's pour it. Let's get down to business. And that rude person in the back is Logan McGee and my dog, Oreo. This time, I'm not spilling this, folks. Next step, quickly pour the yeast. No. Add 10 drops of food coloring. Yeah, I'm going to choose red, since it's my second favorite color. Pour it in.
10 drops.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And next step is place a cookie sheet or large tray under your vessel. We already got that. In a separate cup. In a separate cup. And sorry, had to go grab this blue cup right here. Shout out to South University. Now we gotta pour it.
What are you pouring in there?
We pouring in active dry yeast. That's all, folks. Now, the next one, and 3 tablespoons of warm water. I just rinsed this out. So let's get 3 tablespoons of warm water. 1 tablespoon. Sorry, I gotta move this out of the way. 2 tablespoons. And 3 tablespoons. Let's see. The next step is to stir. So you got our spoon right here. We got to stir it. You can obviously see all that gooey stuff in there. It look nasty. It look like dog doodle. And it don't say how long to stir, so we're going to keep moving. We're back, Mrs. McGee behind the camera, how to help us again. I gotta quickly pour this in. I gotta back up. You can obviously see it's coming slow. It's slower the slowest of all. And that's elephant toothpaste, y'all. You can obviously see the blue lines. I told you, my favorite. I told you. Even though we put red in, it did not look like no red. So let's move. Let's try adding a few drops of a different color. What about blue? Put 4 drops, y'all. Put 4 drops. You can see the lines. Let's add some more drops, y'all. Just a little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. And that's elephant toothpaste. We have to add some a little bit more. So we squeeze it, y'all? No. Cause, let me tell you why. Do you want elephant toothpaste in your eyes so you end up in the doctor, the ER, for 82 days? Cause this is hot elephant toothpaste. It may not look hot now, but as soon as you touch it, if you take these gloves off and I touch it, my hand gonna end up in the emergency room. And we're back again. This is a chemical change, y'all. If this was a physical change, it would not look like this. I would not have all these ingredients. I would not have anything over here. So we're not gonna squeeze the bottle because I just told you the safety hazard. The safety hazard. Why? You can obviously see we got a bigger bottle to try next. And that's all, folks. We'll be back in a couple minutes. Let's go. I'm gone.